Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change location access in Maps location services on iPhone X. But first, can you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then in the screen time, scroll down again and click the content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, in the content and privacy restrictions, scroll down and go to privacy section, then click the location services. Then in the location services, scroll down and click the maps. Then in the maps, if you want to change it to never, just click never until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to ask next time or when I share, just click it until there's also a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to while using the app, just click this until there's also a check mark on the side. App explanation: your location is used to show your position on the map, get directions, estimate travel times, and improve search results. And that's it. We have successfully changed location access in Maps location services on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.